Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RedK supply and demand volume viewer. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RedK supply and demand volume viewer. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 47 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 519 indicators, with 216 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the RedK supply and demand volume viewer. Quite a mouthful, but you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And the setup on this is pretty simple. What we are looking for is this kind of histogram cloud right here. When it goes green, we are going to go long. When it goes red, we are going to go short. And we're not paying much attention to the two lines here above because they are being projected down here below. And so kind of similar to the MACD, where this kind of histogram down here below is showing the distance between these two lines. And so we can visually kind of see what's happening with those lines here down below. So that's what we got going on. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal. It was closed out immediately as we picked up a short on the very next candle. Then that one was stopped out as we picked up a long on the next candle. That long was able to push up nicely, getting us to take profit. Then we rolled over and started headed downward here. That's where we picked up this short right here. And you can see that price action pushed down again pretty nicely there, also hitting the take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so here we pick up a long on this one. It gets stopped out as price starts to kind of roll over and head downwards, and shows a short right here. Then we get a push to the upside. That short gets closed out or stopped out as we get that push to the upside. And that one does get us to take profit, kind of barely gets us to take profit. It's pretty close. Then we pick up the short right here, but that one does get stopped out as we then pick up a long over here on this side, which we haven't really marked out. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the video. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Back everything up here. See if we can get this in focus. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So we have 37 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 15 winning trades. That is not going to make the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Yeah, what can I say? All in all, the indicator did good on the number of trades that it gave. So 37 trades was really decent, but it wasn't able to give us a decent win rate. It was really quick, as you can see that it was giving signals pretty much constantly. And excuse me, that usually is the problem with indicators that overtrade and give us a large number of trades. And so we've seen this many times before. So all right, that's it for this one. This one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.